Today I'm reviewing the top drone capture apps for 2021. By the end of this video, you're going to have a better idea of which drone capture app is best for you and your workflow. So let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jason, and I'm a bona fide drone scientist. But really, I'm here to help you dive deeper into this industry with news, reviews, tutorials, and innovator interviews. Feel free to check out my other videos, and if you find anything valuable to you, please consider subscribing. Quick shout out to my friends at Blue Nose Aerial Imaging for asking me about this topic. So I went into the App Store on my iPhone and downloaded 9 different drone capture apps. Ready to find out which apps I believe are going to be the best of 2021? Let's go. Hold on. Let me tell you what you're gonna see next. So we've created a highlight reel against 9 different features and benefits that I find useful in my drone mission planning. So for each of the 9 apps, you're gonna see this table filled in with check marks as they apply to that app. Don't worry, we have a full walkthrough of each app that I will link to right here in a playlist that I've walked through each of them in its own video. So I hope you're ready. Let's go. And that's it. So which drone capture app is your favorite? If you found this video interesting and you want to see more like it, please share it with your friends. Subscribe, leave comments. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, fly safe and have a great week. Bye now.